Updo plus curls hairstyle on my hair, and I think it looks really cute. It looks amazing, like curls for days, but bam, got the style, you know. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's jump straight into this video. So let me show you guys the products that I use. So I use my Eco Styler gel, I use my leave-in conditioner, and I use my olive oil mousse. These three products I use for my curls. And also I used a denim brush, a white teeth comb, and just a regular comb for parting. I also used some bobby pins to position where I wanted my curls. Okay guys, so I went ahead and part my hair. So this is the top section that's going to be curly, and this part is just going to go. The back is going to come all the way up, and then the front is coming like this. So it's time to start the cornrows. I always advise to do all of the parting first, and then you just do all of the cornrows one time. Bam, 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 done. But this is a really quick and easy hairstyle. If you have an event and you only have like one day to get your hair ready, you don't have any extensions, nothing, but you still want to look cute and everything, and yeah, this is a really good hairstyle. So doing this corner, okay, so here with me I have the Blue Magic Hair and Scalp Conditioner, and this is the product that I'm going to be mostly using to do the cornrows. So I'm going to be oiling my scalp. You want to make sure a protective hairstyle that you provide the hair with all of the moisture that it needs, so your hair will be protected and grow at the same time while it's in this protective hairstyle. So just parting, oiling the parts. cornrows are finished. So now it's time to focus on the curls. Gotta curl this hair, baby. Let me show you guys. So you can see the type of style that I'm going for. Everything just coming over this side. So now it's time to Okay, so to curl the hair, I'm going to be using the olive oil coconut oil mousse, my Eco Styler gel, and contour leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna be doing this. Okay, so I'm going to be curling the ends of the cornrows first. Going in with my white teeth comb. So now I'm going to be going in with the leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going in with my denim brush. So I'm going to be adding some of the mousse. The mousse does give it a smooth definition that I'm looking for. I'm going to be going in with some gel. Okay, we got locking those curls. Then I'm going to detangle the hair again. I'm just going to twist. I'm grabbing some bobby pins and positioning the hair how I want my curls, or where I want the hair to be. So I want all of the hair to be on one side. So I'm just bobby pinning down the hair. See a few pretty ends on the head. So all I need to do right now is to just allow the hair to dry, but so far so good. Like, the hair looks so cute, and yeah, it looks so cute. Let me do a full 360 for you guys. This looks so cute. Like, this looks so cute. So it'll be like, hey. Okay guys, so this is the finished product with my hair. A few sections still needs to be dry, but it looks so cute. Like, it's like you see the side and it'll be like, bam! Hey! Oh my god, it looks so cute. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in with this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single Friday. Also, don't forget to check out some recent videos of mine. There will be links down below as well. And subscribe. Share up the video. Tell a friend and tell a friend to come join the family. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.